हेलो गाइस, वेलकम टू माय चैनल। आज आपके सामने एक ट्रेन की बात करने वाला हूँ, सूरत मालदा टाउन एक्सप्रेस के बारे में। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं। द ट्रेन नंबर 13425 ऑब्लिक 13426 सूरत मालदा टाउन एक्सप्रेस इज एन express train running between Surat of Gujarat and Malda town of West Bengal. Overview: Service type express, first serviced 9 July 2012. Current operator Eastern Railway. Route terminating Surat Malda town. Stops 28. Distance travelled 2137 km 1328 mile. Average journey time 40 hours 30 minutes. Service frequency weekly. On-board service class: AC 2 tier, AC 3 tier, Silver class, general unreserved. Seating arrangements, yes. Sleeping arrangements, yes. Catering facilities, on-board catering, e-catering. Baggage faculty available. Technical. Rolling stock ICF coaches, track gauge 100,676 mm, 5 feet 6 inch. Board gauge. Operating speed 52 km per hour, 32 mph average including halts. It operates as train number 13425 from Malda town to Surat and as time train number 13426 in the reverse direction, serving the state of Gujarat, Maharashtra, Chhattisgarh, Odisha, Jharkhand and West Bengal. तो बंधुरा गाइस, हम लोग वीडियो से क्लिप शेष करते हैं। थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग। कोच composition: the train consisted of 22 coaches, 1 AC 2 tier, 5 AC 3 tier, 8 sleeper class, 6 general unreserved, 2 seating cum luggage van. Service: the important halts of the train are Surat, Nandarbar, Jalgaon, Bhusawal, Akola, Bandera, Nagpur, Durg, Raipur, Bilaspur.